Hello, Jana is here. I'm a certified Pilates instructor and FSD stretch practitioner. Today's workout is the low impact standing core workout. So you don't need the mat, so you can wear running shoes or just do it bare feet. We will work a little bit on the balance as well. So let's get started. We're going to stand nice and tall with the feet hip distance apart. Inhale, open the arms out to the sides, and as you exhale, slightly flex your spine, rounding up and over, tucking your tailbone under. Good. So inhale, find your rhythm, open up the chest, and exhale, nice and easy, round your back. Good. Couple more times. We're going to keep the feet hip distance apart. Inhale to hinge your hips to the back. Slide your hands down to the knees. Watch that the knees are staying over the ankles. Good, and you can still see your toes. Good, and on the exhale, you're gonna squeeze your glutes, lift up, push your hips a little bit forward. So back to that neutral standing. Good, so let's pause here and do a little pelvic tilt. So as you exhale, you're gonna scoop the tummy, tuck your tailbone under, and on the inhale, find that neutral back. So scoop the belly, tuck your pelvis under. So this is just the pelvis movement. It's very subtle, very small. Lift up and find that hinge again. We're gonna reach the arms up and do little pulses with the hips. Good, so still keeping those knees tracking over the first two toes. Good, keep those abdominals tight. Roll all the way down, touch your toes, and exhale, roll through the spine to restack. We're gonna find that hinge again. Reach the arms, little pulses down and up. Keep the weight into your heels. Big toes is still touching the mat or the ground. Lift your bum up, drop the hands down, find that nice stretch, and roll through the spine to restack. One more time. Hinge your hips, draw those abdominals in. Think of bending the knees, dropping your bum down, keep your chest lifted. Good. Couple more times, and lift your hips up and over. Relax your head, relax your neck, and roll through the spine to come up. From here, we're going to keep the weight onto your right foot. We're going to lift the left foot up from the hip. So your hands on your hips, just making sure your pelvis stays nice and leveled with the ground. Good. So if you need to find a little bit more ab connection, reach your hands towards the thigh and push a little bit down. Feel that your abs are pulling in. Good. Resist a little bit, let go. Good. Lift and resist. Draw those abdominals in. Resist with your hands. And again. Good. Let's shift to the other side. Weight is on the left foot, just starting with a nice mobility at the hip. So you're lifting the knee up, folding at the hip, keeping your balance. So keep pushing into that supporting leg. Good. Lift. Let's add the resistance. Connect your abdominals here. Tap. Press into your thigh. Pull the abs in. Think of staying nice and tall through the spine. Make sure you're not crunching in here. Good. Tap. Exhale. Draw the belly button in and upwards. Push and resist. Great. So let's bring your toes slightly out. And with the exhale, we're rotating with a couple of pulses. So exhale, twist, twist. Inhale to center. Exhale, rotate. Inhale to the center. Good. Stay nice and tall as you rotate. And again, twist, twist. Elbows nice and wide. Let's add the opposite knee lift. Good. So you're shifting the weight from side to side. Keeping your body nice and centered. So shoulders over the hips. Pulse, pulse. Twist, twist. Inhale, shift the weight. Twist, twist. And back through the center. Again, no crunching, so stay nice and tall with that neutral spine. Good, let's reach those arms out. Relax your shoulders. Good, ready for some side lunges. So we're gonna lift the left knee, step out to the side and push into that left foot to shift the weight onto the right leg and find your balance. So it's still a hinge from the hips. Good. Your hips are going back and down as you're side lunging. Right leg stays straight. So inhale, step out, exhale, push into the left leg, lift the knee. Good. We're gonna stay here. Wrap your elbows and rotate towards the left side away from that straight leg. Draw those abdominals in. Think of it. This is the twist from just the upper body. Hips are nice and squared. Exhale, pulse, pulse. Inhale to center. Good. Let's reset and do the other side. So shift the weight onto the left side. Right knee is a big step to the side, hinging your hips back. Up, find your balance. Step out, hips back. Push into the right foot, lift the knee. Good. Hinge. Good. Press, squeeze your glutes on that lift. Good. Find your balance, and you may find that one side is doing better than the other, which is natural for us. Good. Big side step. Good. Hug your elbows. Pulse, pulse. You're twisting to the right away from the straight leg. Pull those abdominals in. Try to keep your hips low on the same spot. Twist, twist. Inhale to square. Shoulders stay down. Good. Twist, twist on the exhale. Lift up and reset to the center. Shake it off, and we're gonna slide your hands down. Find that hinge position again with the feet parallel. Good. We're gonna hold it here and do the arm scissors. So nice and heavy into the shoulders. Keep those ribs pulled in so tight through the core. Long arms. Good. Exhale to reach. Inhale, dropping through the center. Good. Lift up. So let's find that hinge again. Good. Hold it here. Weight in the heels. We're going to add the rotation for the upper body. So a lot of oblique work. Pull the abdominals. As you rotate, feel that you're keeping even weight on both feet. So you're very stable from the hips down. Good. Inhale down. Exhale to twist. Good. Inhale, release to center. Exhale, still long arms. Come up. Good. Walk your legs. Bring the hands behind the head and round forward and slightly extend your spine on the inhale, lifting up the chest. Round over. Draw those ribs down and inhale, open the chest. Good. Let's add a little ab curl with the knee lift. So you're, as if you're curling, you're rounding towards the leg. Scoop the belly. Again, shifting your weight side to side, very functional, as if you're walking. Couple more times. Exhale, curl, open those elbows, lengthen the spine. Inhale, inhale. Really use your breath. Good. Open the arms, bring them by your sides. Let's start cooling down. So bring the hands behind on your hips, push the hips forward, open up the chest, big inhale here. Good. Find that length. Stretch those abdominals. Lock your hands in front, tuck your tailbone, round your spine. And let's lock your hands behind the hips, reach them down towards the ground. Open the collarbones. Inhale, right arm up, rotate the chest. Continue this circle from your shoulder. Left side, rotate, circle the arm. Lift, exhale, good. And one more time, lift and rotate. Good. So rotate all together with the arm and then continue just the arm movement from your shoulder. Good. Roll your shoulders a couple more times, and I hope you feel great and you're ready to rock your day.